Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're diving into the world of gymnastics. It's a captivating and dynamic sport that showcases incredible athleticism and grace. Let's get started. Meaning. Gymnastics is a noun that refers to a sport or physical activity that involves a combination of strength, flexibility, balance, and agility. Gymnastics includes a wide range of movements and exercises, such as tumbling, acrobatics, balance beam routines, vaulting, and rhythmic exercises. It's not only a sport, but also a form of artistic expression. Pronunciation. Pronounce gymnastics as dʒɪmʻnæstɪks, with the emphasis on the first syllable, gym. Use in a sentence. 1. She has dedicated her life to training and competing in gymnastics. 2. The Olympic gymnastics event showcased the world's top athletes in stunning performances. Synonyms. In the context of sports and activities, synonyms for gymnastics include gymnastic exercises, gymnastic routines, or specific types of gymnastics like artistic gymnastics or rhythmic gymnastics. Conclusion. That concludes our exploration of gymnastics. It's a captivating sport that demands incredible physical abilities and artistic expression. Thanks for joining us, and may you be inspired by the grace and power of gymnasts worldwide.